Health benefits of drinking okra water. In West Africa, okra is widely used to make soups. For example, okra soup is a popular Nigerian soup. Okra is commonly fried, steamed, or juiced in many different parts of the world. In whatever form, it provides various health benefits, including enough calcium for stronger bones. We have a lot to say about it. But before we begin, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so that you won't miss any of our amazing videos. Okra is a calcium-rich vegetable that is widely available. It's a green pod in the shape of a spearhead. The seeds are frequently found in the pod. The okra pod is commonly referred to as a lady finger because of its form. Many stories have surfaced in recent years claiming that okra water is the new diabetes treatment. In fact, the seeds and peel of the okra plant contains anti-diabetic qualities, according to a study published in the Journal of Pharmacy and Bioallied Sciences. The study found that a solution of water soaked in okra can lower blood sugar levels in diabetic rats utilized in the experiment. There are other health benefits related to okra water. Let's dig in. Number 1. Anemia is treated using this water. Anemia sufferers can greatly benefit from eating okra on a regular basis. Anemia is a condition in which the body's supply of red blood cells is insufficient. Because red blood cells are important for oxygen circulation, this frequently results in insufficient oxygen circulation throughout the body. Okra water aids in the production of red blood cells in the bone marrow, which can aid in the treatment of anemia. It is also high in vitamin A and magnesium, all of which are necessary for the body to create red blood cells. Because this blood illness lowers the body's hemoglobin count, okra water comes in handy in this regard. It aids in the formation of red blood cells in the body, ensuring that blood levels are maintained for a healthy body. Number 2. Heart health is improved. The most common cause of heart failure is excessive cholesterol. Increased cholesterol levels in the blood induce a buildup in either an artery or a vein, which can lead to a blockage. The heart will eventually become overworked as a result of this. Okra includes a significant number of fibers, which has been demonstrated in studies to be useful in lowering harmful cholesterol molecules in the body. Pectin is the fiber found in okra that is responsible for this. In addition, because okra is high in magnesium, it can help you avoid having a stroke. Number 3. Ensure that cancerous cells are destroyed. Okra includes lectin, a type of protein that has been found to fight cancerous cells, according to a study. According to another study, okra can decrease cancer cells and reduce your risk of acquiring cancer by up to 63%. Because okra contains folate, a chemical that inhibits the formation of malignant cells, eating it consistently lowers a woman's risk of acquiring breast cancer, cervical cancer, or pancreas cancer. Number 4. Enhances eyesight. Vitamin A is required for the retina to produce the pigments required for vision. Okra is high in vitamin A and beta-carotene, two substances that are essential for good vision. Number 5. Calcium-rich source. Minerals such as calcium and magnesium are abundant in okra. Calcium is the primary component of our body's bones. When you eat okra on a daily basis, you're giving your body a lot of building blocks for stronger, healthier bones and teeth. Okra has a lot of folate, which is good for both pregnant women and their babies. It lowers the risk of bone illnesses, such as osteoporosis and arthritis, while also increasing bone density. Number 6. Enhances the health of the skin. Okra eating on a regular basis can help to enhance skin health and minimize skin disorders like acne and eczema. This is due to the presence of antioxidants in okra, which help to neutralize free radicals and maintain the body clear of pollutants. The texture of your skin can be greatly improved by drinking okra water. A healthy complexion is essential not only for achieving that radiant appearance, but also for avoiding skin illnesses. Okra is high in antioxidants, which assist to cleanse the blood and enhance circulation. It also helps with acne and other skin problems. Consumption of okra water on a regular basis promotes skin health. Number 7. It helps to keep constipation away. Okra is a high-fiber vegetable. This one-of-a-kind formula is beneficial in preventing constipation. Constipation is a condition in which having a bowel movement is difficult. Stomach aches and bloating are frequently associated with the disorder. Fiber aids in the regularity of bowel movements. Because okra is high in fiber, it can help prevent constipation from ever forming. It also helps with digestion. This is a natural laxative. Have you already felt a sense of relief? Number 8. Aids in the prevention of diabetes. Okra water has been demonstrated to contain insulin-like characteristics, making it an efficient blood sugar balancing treatment. Diabetes is caused by the pancreas failure to secrete insulin, the hormone that regulates blood sugar levels, or by the body's cells becoming resistant to insulin's activities. In either situation, the sufferer's blood sugar level will climb to dangerously high levels, putting him or her at risk. Okra's insulin-like qualities can help balance blood sugar levels and lessen your risk of diabetes if you eat more of it. Now there's a question. What is the mechanism behind okra water's ability to lower blood sugar levels? Because okra contains a lot of insoluble fiber, it helps to stabilize blood sugar levels by slowing down the rate at which sugar is absorbed from the intestine, and therefore lowering blood sugar levels. Number 9. Strengthens the immunological system. The immune system aids the body in fighting disease-causing viruses and microorganisms. Okra is high in vitamin C and antioxidants, both of which the body needs to have a robust defense system against disease microorganisms. Number 10. Lowers cholesterol levels. Diabetic patients are advised to eat foods high in fiber and antioxidants, which assist to decrease cholesterol. Diabetic people, according to the American Heart Association, are more likely than others to have unhealthy cholesterol levels. Okra water has been proven to help lower cholesterol levels in lab rats with diabetes, according to a study. As a result, diabetes individuals must ensure that their food has healthy cholesterol levels. Number 11. Anti-stress properties. Blood sugar levels can be negatively impacted by high stress levels. In the circulation of mice, okra seed extracts had an antioxidant and anti-stress impact. As a result, okra seeds can be utilized to treat mental health disorders. Remember that mental health issues should not be ignored, and that it is an important element of diabetes management. Number 12. Anti-fatigue properties. Okra aids in a healthy workout program when included in the diet. It not only aids in recuperation after exercise, but it also allows you to work for longer periods of time, as demonstrated by a study. As a result, it is safe to conclude that the okra plant promotes a healthy and active lifestyle. Number 13. Diarrheas fail. When diarrhea is left untreated for an extended period of time, it can be fatal. It causes dehydration because it causes the body to lose a lot of water. Okra water, on the other hand, can replenish this lost water and other minerals. This is also why persons suffering from diarrhea are advised to drink a glass of okra water every day until they recover. Number 14. It aids digestion. We already talked about how dietary fiber can help you avoid constipation. It's the fiber once more. It has been proved that the more fiber you consume, the less likely you are to get colorectal cancer. It also aids in the reduction of body weight. Number 15. It helps in protecting your lungs. Okra also includes numerous nutrients that the body requires. One of them is the antioxidant advantages of flavonoid molecules like beta-carotene, xanthan, and lutein, which can help protect the lungs. It will be extremely beneficial if you also quit smoking. We know it's difficult, but you can do it. If you have diabetes and are currently on a treatment plan, inform your doctor before drinking okra water. Although it is regarded to be safe, you should check to see if it interacts with any of your current medications. Although additional medical research is needed to determine whether okra water is a natural diabetes therapy. Okra water has several health benefits. Therefore, drinking it as often as possible is usually a good idea. Adding okra to your meal plan or drinking okra water will always be a sensible decision, regardless of whether you are trying to lose weight or eating healthier. We hope you liked the video. If so, hit the like button and share it with your loved ones. If you have any questions or comments, let us know in the comment section below. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more of our amazing videos. You can also watch our other videos suggested just for you. See you in the next video.